Aumonyi Igbo oga. Aumonyi Igbo oga. Igbo atoka. Aumonyi Igbo. Ona agwaro yi na mbu onyi Igbo oga. Aumonyi Igbo oga. Onwe ka isi eme. Onwe ka isi eme. Onwe ka isi eme.
If you are Igbo, part of the things that you should be proud of is because you are Igbo, and that is on a full stop. You see, we are proud of our culture, our food, our dress, and everything concerning us. So if you are proud to be an Igbo person, leave a comment in the comment section and identify yourself.
Best Babasha in Africa. Igbo Amaka. Bring her in Africa. If you eat this, you make money. Oh, here I can you can see she's the best. She's the best all over the world. And in fact, the next I'm thinking I'm bringing her to London, my home in London, to come and make a bacha for me. My mansion in London. So that's where you're coming to. This is Lagos. Your next trip will be London. My house in London. So you come make a bacha for me and my family.
Yes, that is how it is done in our land, in our culture, Igbo. And part of the things we want to use this very YouTube channel to achieve is to promote our culture, promote our people, promote our language, and everything concerning Igbo culture, Igbo tribe. So if you are Igbo and you are proud to be an Igbo, hit that subscribe button to follow us, like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people, and also leave a comment in the comment section and share your thought about Igbo people and how you are proud of your tribe. Before let's come back to watch our videos. My name is Uche, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.